Calcata is a charming village located in the province of Viterbo, Italy. Situated on a tough cliff, it is known for its medieval architecture, narrow winding streets, and artistic community. The village has a rich history that dates back to the Etruscan era and has attracted visitors from around the world. Here are 250 words describing the beauty and allure of Calcata. Calcata is a picturesque village nestled amidst the lush greenery of the Italian countryside. Its stone houses and cobblestone streets create a unique atmosphere that transports visitors to a bygone era. As you wander through the narrow alleys, you'll encounter quaint shops selling handmade crafts, art galleries showcasing local talent, and cozy cafes serving delicious Italian fare. The village's medieval charm is evident in its architecture, with buildings dating back centuries. The Church of San Michele Arcangelo, with its elegant bell tower, is a must-see landmark. The Rocca dei Borgia, a fortress that once belonged to the infamous Borgia family, offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Calcata is renowned for its artistic community, attracting painters, sculptors, and musicians from far and wide. The village hosts various cultural events throughout the year, including art exhibitions, music festivals, and theater performances. Its bohemian vibe and creative spirit make it a hub for artistic expression. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the breathtaking scenery surrounding Calcata. The village is perched on a tough cliff overlooking the lush Treja Valley. Hiking trails lead to the nearby Treja Regional Park, where visitors can explore dense forests, hidden waterfalls, and ancient Roman ruins. The people of Calcata are warm and welcoming, embodying the Italian spirit of hospitality. They take pride in their village's heritage and are passionate about preserving its unique character. Visitors can engage with locals, learn about their traditions, and savor authentic Italian cuisine made with fresh local ingredients. In conclusion, Calcata is a hidden gem that captures the essence of Italy's rich history and artistic heritage. Its medieval architecture, artistic community, and natural beauty make it a destination worth exploring. Whether you're strolling through its enchanting streets or immersing yourself in its vibrant cultural scene, Calcata promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit.